Well, the passenger side is pretty well done. Is it pretty? Absolutely not. Is it functional? Did I put the structural integrity back into it? Yes, I did. Am I still got to do that back there? Yes, I do. And still got the driver's side to do. But the passenger side is all done on the inside. I'm not going to bother with grinding down the welds. I will seam seal this, and I'm going to get some brush on Rust-Oleum and cover up all the rust so it doesn't rust any further. There's going to be carpet over the top of this, and that's why I'm not going to worry with grinding down all these welds and all that fun stuff. So, interior is done. Would a professional body shop show you this? Oh, hell no. But this is about what it looks like when a body shop does it. They just grind everything down, make it look pretty. Since I'm not selling this to somebody else, I'm going to keep this. It's going to stay like this. And then we start on all of this here and that there. And I'm using old body parts. Structural metal that's left over from when I did my 03 Cherokee. That's off the rockers. That is going to fit that rocker contour. I've got a piece of metal cut out from that. That's going to fit across the bottom of that door. And take care of that corner right there. The bottom of this door is not bad. I got one little spot right there. But that's it. Then I'll be done with this side. I can pull it out. Oop, I see a hole right there. I'll have to take care of that. The rear quarters, that's going to be another job altogether. Because I'll do that when I do the trunk. But just thought I'd let you know where I'm at. I know this is so exciting to so many people. They just, gotta know what I'm doing. Hey, it's no longer a Flintstone. You cannot step through and hit the floor. No rattle, no nothing. That's how I want it. Now, how long is it going to take me to do that other side? Alright, I'm through yammering. So, have a good day. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Makes the world go around better. At least in my opinion. Bye.